This is Opal Enterprises. This is a home here in Naperville, again with Opal Enterprises, where we are doing a new roof for the customer, 4 skylights. The shingles are GAF Timberline HD. It's going to be a pewter gray color, and here are the shingles piled up here in the front yard. We're also doing gutters, fascia, and we're doing 4 skylights. Velux skylights, here they are right there. And again, here in Naperville with Opal. We'll go over to the side of the house and take a look at what's going on over here, where we're going to be getting ready to take a bunch of the shingles up to the top of the roof over here. They've got the conveyor system set up, and then we'll shoot them up the side, up the ladder, and we'll start putting them on. Here we are again, Opal Enterprises in Naperville.